Paano hindi ka mapakali dyan? Kasi nananakam na ako sa lunch. Ay, na-inspire ka at nagluto ka today.
Hindi ako nagluto.
O ano?
Kakain lang ako today kasi iniintay ko yung magluluto ng lunch natin.
Oo nga pala, nag-promise pala siya, ipapatikin niya sa atin yung mga niluluto niya.
Yes.
Ay, nasa na ba siya? Ang tagal-tagal na.
Jelly, nandito na ako.
Ay, dito ka na nga pala. Sabay tayo. Oo.
Gusto mo na kaya?
Hello!
Hello?
Sobrang gutom na kami. We cannot wait. Naku, kanina pa kanina ka pala namin nag-antay. Ay, naku.
Itong gagawin ko madali lang.
Ay, naku, ayan na. Huwag na tayo mag-usap. Uy,
Mag-ready na kayo ng ballpen at papel at isusulat nyo, ililista nyo ang kanyang ingredients at kung paano magluto ng kanyang gagawin today. Ang
Yes,
artista, syempre,
ang tatay
at ang cook.
Let's go! Go and cook!
Okay, let's go.
Kami na.
Okay, let's start the cooking.
Okay, what is the title of the show?
I'm gonna make something very, very simple for you. Kasi what I really like to do pagdating sa cooking, gusto ko baking at the same time, lalo na pag ganito.
Pati
akong
baking?
Yeah, we're gonna bake this.
Already?
No, I'm not a pastry chef.
Okay.
Ano lang ako, main course lang.
Main course lang.
Anyway, I like baking because like this, akong bumisita sa inyo. So, just pop it in the oven. This is very, very simple. Actually, lutong taba dito.
Oh, lutong tayo.
So, while we pop it in the oven for about an hour and a half, depending on the size of your chicken, pwede pa tayo magkwentuhan muna.
Chika muna. Correct.
Umpisa na natin.
Umpisa na natin ito. Ano pangalan nito?
Okay,
Chicken.
mushroom sauce. Okay, this is very, very easy.
Sana hindi kami lamuni jelly pagkatapos nito nga ito.
So, nilay down ko lang itong soy sauce.
Kanina lang pinag-uusapan natin. You were supposed to go to the States to learn.
It was my plan kasi walang pelikula.
You're that serious about it?
Yeah, it's really my passion, my second passion talaga, cooking.
Okay, siyempre, you're doing it professionally. Now, balita ako, pagka naman nagpupunta daw sa Dumaguete, talagang minsan ikaw ang nagluluto, ikaw na...
Well, madalas akong magluto ng employee's meal, but of course, I have my chief chef who does everything, and our sous chef who also does everything. Aside from that, ako talaga yung sa marketing and promotions ng lugar ko. Sa Dumaguete City.
Ano yung mga dishes na ikaw mismo nag-develop? Kasi di ba minsan ay
Marami.
cookbook lang tayo or nakiki-learn lang tayo.
Yung concoction mo.
I like fine dining, I like plating, I like using herbs and all that.
Naman.
Medyo yung fine dining is what I like. Okay, what I did, I just covered the bottom of this dish with soy sauce.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna put pepper around it. On it,
Pepper.
yeah. Very, 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 very simple. Yeah, that's about it. And I'm just gonna lay my half chicken.
Put ka ng half chicken.
Half chicken, yeah.
Sarap.
Okay, now, ang aking special cream of mushroom. So, lagay ko dyan. Then, Jenny, can you hand me the pitcher of water, please?
Here you go. Lagyan natin dyan sa mushroom para mamasait.
Yeah! Okay lang.
Janice,
Okay
masyado
lang yan.
excited, ha?
Why Dumaguete? Why in Dumaguete?
Ba't di naman dito sa Manila?
Mahal dito sa Manila
namin.
My friend, who's part of the scene, who was there, invited me over. Nagustuhan ko naman yung place. Parang they have this saying na dagit ako ng Dumaguete because it's a city of gentle people.
Okay.
And nakita ko yung place. And they had this boulevard na talagang night strip nila.
Oo,
Sabi
nice.
ko, tayo ng restaurant dito. Which we did. It's 2 years old and we're
2
doing
years na
quite
pala
well.
to.
Yeah.
So yun yung dalawa ng wife mo. Who cooks you? Pag nasa bahay, you
My
cook
wife
or she
is
does?
not allowed in the kitchen.
Why?
Why? Ang ganun naman bakit?
Dahil yun ang aking domain. Saka ayoko natatagsisan siya ng mantika.
Sweet naman.
Ayoko na may bawang yung kamay niya. Sabi nga nila, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach, pero in our case, it's baliktad.
A way to her heart is through her stomach.
I'm gonna cover this with foil, but that's
Just like
totally
that?
covered, yeah.
Di mo na
Kailangan
siya
may
i-mix?
opening no, para at least mag-roast siya ng konti. And then, the mushroom sauce and the soy sauce and the juices of the
Will mesh
chicken
together.
will incorporate. So just, I'll pop this in the oven.
Okay.
While I'm doing this, would you like to mix the vinaigrette on the salad?
Okay.
Papasok ko to sa oven for about an hour and a half.
And then,
Pero meron akong finished product.
Yung vinaigrette mong to, ikaw ang gumawa talaga niyan.
Yes, oo. That consists of red wine vinegar, olive oil, and fresh herbs. Yeah, fresh herbs, not powdered, not dried, not anything.
Di ba kinukwento mo
Yeah,
sa amin kung
because-
paano ka nag-start, paano ka nagkahilig?
Ba't ka pa nagkahilig dyan?
Naku, mahabang story. Bata pa ako since I was 14 years old. Kasi nung araw, mami ko gusto niya, lagi kaming sabay-sabay sa mesang
Siyempre.
kumain. Eh, meron akong sariling oras. Eh, ayaw rin niya ginigising ko yung cook namin dahil napupuyat. So, I decided to learn to cook on my own and furthermore, I learned and I learned. Tapos yung daughter ko rin is taking up culinary arts.
How about your wife? What's her favorite dish that you make?
She likes lentils. I make good lentils, eh.
Ay, talaga? Eh, how about your others?
I do chicken roulade. Basically, I also like Filipino food. I do a lot of Filipino food.
Nag-Filipino food talaga?
Oo.
Naglalagay mo ng different
Some bit of
twist,
Japanese
ganon?
also, and a bit of Chinese. Pero I like continental cooking also. This
So,
is what
pag
I'll do.
around pala to sila,
bahay?
you really cook for your family.
Yes, oo. As a matter of fact, my children, kahit minsan lang kami magkasama, tatawag lang sila sa bahay, magre-request sila kung pwede ko daw silang paglutuan.
Balita ko nga daw si Gabi, in fact, nilutuan mo pa siya minsan at ganun ka ka-thoughtful na father. You know,
Dinala
when
mo pa siya ng jacket?
You bought him a jacket
Oo,
that
kasi
you
guest na
thought
isang
would
show.
fit him really
I
well.
had a better suit than he has, so dinala ko, so he could look better. Pero I don't do that anymore now, sikat na siya.
Okay, so you buy your own suit.
Yeah, kaya na niyang bilhin.
How about food? Aray. So, dinadalan mo rin siya ng food
No naman, pupunta sila sa bahay.
to eat.
Mm-mm.
Do they at least tell you in advance para naman
They tell me in
niluluto mo naman ng
advance.
tama?
Tsaka yun ang masarap sa
Masarap
puso magpakain eh.
Oo. Parang never, di ba? You've always been known to be a very good actor, an excellent actor at that, pero parang never namin nabalitaan.
Well, they say I share the same passion with acting and cooking.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make salad, gagawin ko lang side
So,
dito,
does it work for you na ma-impress naman si Maricar? Na-impress sa'yo si
Kasi
Maricar
usually,
kasi masarap ka
Actually, doon ko naman lahat talaga dinaanan eh,
sa pagluluto?
pagluto.
Ay, ang galing.
Talagang baliktad na baliktad, ano?
Baliktad na baliktad.
The way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Ito
Pero
baliktad.
The way to Maricar's heart is through the stomach.
Heart.
So,
To his cooking. Through his cooking.
this is only these,
Eh kung kakonsultahin ka namin sa pagtatayo ng negosyo, ano ba yung dapat
Anong
naming
sasabihin?
malaman?
If you want restaurant
Regards to-
business,
Yeah.
okay. Pricing would be very important. Good service, good food, and cost will not is disregarded already. Basta kailangan good service and good food.
Naman. So,
Yun ang pinaka-basic na
Location.
kailangan. Location also. And also, depende rin kung sino nagmay-may-ari. Mas advantage pag celebrity may-ari eh.
Eh, ito.
Honestly.
Ito, question. Paano kapag,
good time lang to. Okay,
Good
we'll
time.
give you situations and you tell us more or less what you would cook in that situation. Kahit one dish lang.
Oh.
Kung halimbawa, dumating na yung time na mag-aasawa na si Gabi at so, syempre,
Mamamanhika
ka na kayong dalawa. Mamamanhika na kayo, di ba? Syempre, at ikaw ang dad. Kailangan ikaw ang magluluto para ma-impress. Ano naman?
Alamin mo muna kung anong karakter ng parents.
In-laws.
ng
Oh,
in-laws.
sabihin na natin.
Kung anong gusto nila. Yun
Pinoy. Ano yung mga supla... Pinoy. Wag naman.
O sila suplado.
Yung mga suplado.
French cuisine na.
Oh, doon na tayo sa
snooty na
pakitang
lang.
Parang
gilas.
ganito. Doesn't it look nice?
Oh, yes.
Looks very appetizing.
Okay, I'll serve this on the table while I prepare the other plate.
Eh, what about your 25th anniversary with Maricar?
My 25th?
Oh, 25th year.
Oh, di ba?
By that time, siguro meron na akong sariling chef na matagal pa.
On your next anniversary na lang.
On your next anniversary na lang with Maricar.
Well, I don't cook during anniversaries.
Ay, syempre.
No, we cook
Kasi
all the
naman,
time.
no? Pagdatrabahuin mo pa eh.